So this video will show you how to take your classroom library checkout that you've already created and turn it into a digital book log. So if you haven't already put your Google form that has your classroom library into a Google site, we're going to do so now. So I'll double click, and from Drive I will go into my recent, and I will just insert my digital book checkout, make it nice and big. And so if you've already done that step, cool. If not, now it is in a Google site. So now I'm going to come back to my Google form, and I'm going to go into my edit mode. And within my edit mode, I'm going to go to responses. And within my responses, I'm going to choose to create a new spreadsheet. So I will create that. So now my spreadsheet is created. I'm going to right click in number 1, and I'm going to insert a 1 row below. And then I'm going to go into view, and I'm going to freeze the first 2 rows. You can use your timestamp, but I'm going to right click and hide my timestamp. In student name, I will do category filter, no spaces. And I will also do a category filter in book and category filter in check-in book. Author name I will do hidden, and I will do hidden in genre as well. Those are just going to help us in our next step, which is to go to awesometable.com, and there is a hyphen in between awesome and table. Once I get to Awesome Table, if you've never been in Awesome Table, it's going to ask you to sign in, but I already have been in Awesome Table. I do need to switch my accounts, so I will log out. I will log in with Google. This is what it'll look like if you've never logged in before. You just simply choose whichever Google account you want to sign in with. And then you can use create a new view. They do have a lot of templates that you can use for other things, but all we need for this is a simple blank new view. I press blank. I choose to select a new spreadsheet. It's going to bring up a little pop-up menu, and I will choose my spreadsheet that I just created. Really, it should populate everything I need here, so I don't need to do anything other than create. And here I can see that it is loading my view. So it seems like everything looks pretty nice. I can look at all my different tallies. And so then what I need to do is press this share button. Kind of looks like a triangle missing a side. I pick my shareable link. I'm going to go back to my Google site. I'm going to create a new page for my book log. And I'm going to double click. I'm going to choose the embed option. I'm going to paste in my awesome table that I just built. It'll give me a little preview here. I can see it kind of looks like how it's supposed to. Press insert. Make it a little bit bigger. And it will load. It's saying it's redirecting me. It'll load, and then I've got it here. Now the last step I need to do is press publish. And once I press publish, it'll give me my publish directions, and then anybody can see it. And so then this is a good way for your students to see what they've been reading, what their peers have been reading, who has the book, get recommendations, so on and so forth. And one more thing to remember in your spreadsheet, in in this spreadsheet here, one thing you do need to make sure for the awesome table to work is in your blue share button up here. You're going to want to make sure that it is turned on to getting a shareable link so anybody can view it. Otherwise, they will just see a big white square. So that is how you make a digital book log in addition to your digital classroom library checkout.